welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make mango ice cream. Very delicious dessert recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat 1 cup of milk in a pan. To this add 1 tablespoon of wheat flour and mix it continuously. Make sure no lumps are formed. Stir it continuously for 5 minutes until it's nice and thick like this. Now off the flame and allow it to cool completely. Today I've taken 1 ripe mango. You can go with your favorite variety of mango. Cut the mango cheeks. Make slits diagonally on both directions. Give it an outward flip and the mango flesh is going to pop out. Cut the flesh out. Likewise, cut the entire mango and keep it ready. Add the mango pieces to a mixie jar. To this, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and blend it well. Then add the milk mixture and blend it again. Now our mango ice cream base is ready. Transfer the mango ice cream base to a container. Close it with a lid and freeze for 8 hours or overnight. It's been 8 hours and a mango ice cream is out from the freezer 5 minutes ago. Now let's open the lid. Flip it to a plate. Make slices. Decorate the mango ice cream with some mango pieces on top and serve it nice and chill and enjoy with your family and friends. Very delicious recipe for this summer, so do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.